Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to Spoonies Bay. I am your host, Praggy. Today we'll be doing a very special video on a newly launched Huawei P40 Pro Plus. On today's video's agenda, we'll be covering a series of quick unboxing, general and personal review, FreeBuds Tree review, and issues of Google services. Without delay, let's get to the unboxing. Alright guys, so as we can see, this is the main box for the Huawei's phone, and as you can see here, if you look closely, it says here it's co-engineered with Leica lens. Pretty cool, huh? And I must say that the packaging is splendid, very beautiful, very neat. It's kind of like Apple-like, you know. And get this guys, it says here it's FSC certified. That is amazing. For those of you who do not know what FSC means, it means Forest Stewardship Council, meaning to say that the company which is responsible for, you know right, that in order to make papers you have to chop down trees. So Huawei is responsible, meaning to say that whenever they chop down trees to make papers, they are responsible to plant back trees in the forest to make sure that they are, or rather I would say they love the environment. So this is cool. Alright, so we have the phone right here. Ooh, look at that. So nice. Wow. Yeah. Ooh, holy sweet mama. Look at that. Wow. Check that out. It's cool, huh? Okay guys, as you're aware that the back here is actually made by ceramic, and that is a very cool, interesting concept which I think it is a good idea to make a phone with ceramic on the back. Reason being is the front here, it's sort of unavoidable to have glass mirrors in front, but on the back plate, if you replace it with ceramic, I think it's a good idea. Ceramic, to my knowledge, I think it's more better in the sense that it is more durable when it comes to dropping and you know, hitting on hard surfaces. It makes more sense. So I think in a way, you know what, good job Huawei. That is a great thing to do. Okay, so we have the phone, the box, and guys, get this. This is a wireless charger and it looks pretty sleek. Very nice, very well designed as well. Wow, this is cool. Okay. You know what, for a fact, they actually claim that the charging speed for this wireless charger is exactly the same with the wired charger, which is 40 watts. Can you imagine that? Fast charging speed with the wired one, which is pretty cool. But according to my friend who does research, he tried both of these, and the speed is not exactly the same like how they claim it is, but the differences is not much. It's only the difference buffer is about like 10 minutes, so it's fine. It's fine. Okay, moving forward, we have the, oh sorry, not to forget, it comes with free casing. How thoughtful. That is nice. So cool. Okay, in case if you're worried that you drop your phone, you know, or something. So this is pretty cool. Alright, so guys, it comes with a FreeBuds Tree, which is equivalent to Apple's AirPod Pro, which you have to buy it if you are an Apple owner, but this comes free. Holy shit, look at this. So if you open it, there's a light here indicating that it's, you know, ready to go. It's cool. Wow, look at this. Everything is so well designed and well engineered. The quality build is also amazing. Look at that. So good. Alright. Okay. So we have the, of course, wired earphone as well. I'm not going to open it. Okay, so for the next session, what we are going to do now is that we are going to discuss further about Google services and what app is available and what app is not available to check it out. Alright guys, as we can see here, the phone comes with a display of 6.58 inches and also a horizon curve screen, which is located on the left, right, top and bottom as well. So as you can see here, on the sides, this is the top and the bottom itself. Amazing, huh? Not only that, it comes with a OLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate, meaning to say when you scroll through your phone, everything is as smooth as butter itself. Moving forward, we have a resolution of 2640 by 1002 pixels. It's powered by a Kirin 990 5G processor. It comes with 8GB RAM memory with 512 gigabytes of space. Rear camera caters for 50 megapixels, whereas the front caters for 35 megapixels. Battery life is around approximately 4200 mAh. And if you are a person who loves to use your phone all day, texting, playing games, using, apps like Waze, through traffic and all those, this is a very suitable phone for you. Alright guys, as you all are aware that Google services are no longer catered for this phone. I realize many are afraid that it will exhibit a different type of unpleasant experience. However, don't be disheartened because most of our essential apps are still available and can be found as well. From messengers such as WhatsApp, WeChat, and moving forward to social medias like Facebook and Instagram is also available. So as we know, the conventional way to actually search your apps will be inside the Huawei app gallery itself. So every app that you have desired to search, if you cannot find it there is another application which is actually called the Petal Search, which is right here. In the Petal Search itself, for example, the apps that needed Petal Search were WhatsApp itself. So once we have WhatsApp already, WhatsApp was actually installed to this phone. And even entertainment such like Netflix itself is also available through Petal Search. And the app is successfully installed. Look at that. So great news guys. It's not that bad as we ought to be, but I cannot guarantee that all applications will be in like compared to our friendly rivals like Samsung or iPhone itself. If you are aware of any apps that cannot be supported by Google, please drop down your comments below. Alright guys, last but not least, we are going to do a very quick review for the FreeBuds 3. And right here is the FreeBud itself. Once it's open, there is a green light on indicating that it's fully charged. Right here, it's left and right. Okay, so as we have done several testing such as talking on the phone, watched movies, listening to music. It is absolutely amazing. The quality is really top-notch, and what is amazing that the FreeBuds actually comes with noise cancellation, meaning to say you can activate it on your Huawei's phone to activate the noise cancellation, and your surrounding will be very dim. And not to mention, we have tried movies like Netflix. It has a surround effect, and say for example, if a character is actually talking from left moving to right, you can feel that the left audio is only transmitting, whereas the right is as normal as it is. And when the character moves to the right, you can hear the effect, and which I think it's absolutely amazing. It is very great. Battery life is pretty good. But my own personal opinion, I am still sad to say that the Apple AirPods Pro is definitely much more superior than this. But not to neglect, this is also amazing as well. So if you're considering getting the Huawei, this comes with it, which I think is super worthwhile. So that's it guys, this is the end of the review. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like and subscribe, and leave any comments below if I have missed anything, and have a great day, guys.